Garlic has been used in folk remedies for over 4,000 years, and studies over the past few decades have confirmed many of its health benefits. Although garlic is low in calories, it is considered a superfood because it is rich in important nutrients and compounds that can fight cancer, provide heart protection, and even fight colds. Here are some of the hidden garlic benefits you can take advantage of. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Garlic strengthens your immune system. Colds can be serious for the elderly. Taking garlic supplements daily can help prevent colds and the flu and reduce the severity of both illnesses. According to one study, taking garlic daily can reduce the number of colds by 63% and the duration of cold symptoms by 70% from 5 days to 1.5 days. Garlic also contains high levels of iodine, which makes it very effective in treating hyperthyroidism. Garlic lowers blood pressure. Cardiovascular disease is the world's leading cause of death, so you need to do everything you can to reduce your risk. Studies show that garlic supplementation has a significant effect on lowering blood pressure in people with hypertension. The National Institute of Cardiopulmonary Blood has found that people with healthy blood pressure by the age of 50 are 90% more likely to develop high blood pressure in later years. The risk of high blood pressure increases with age, as does the possible consequences of high blood pressure. Studies show that daily intake of garlic can lower blood pressure in people with high blood pressure. Allicin in garlic is responsible for this protective effect. Maintains healthy cholesterol levels. 32% of adults in the United States have high, bad, low-density lipoprotein cholesterol levels. Hypercholesterolemia can be treated, but it increases the risk of heart disease and stroke in the elderly. Along with prescription statins, garlic can be an effective way to control cholesterol levels. According to one study, daily intake of garlic and supplements can reduce LDL cholesterol by up to 15%. Reduces the risk of dementia. Garlic contains antioxidants that support the body's defenses against damage to the brain, and high doses of garlic have been shown to increase antioxidant levels. Free radicals in the body contribute to aging and increase the risk of cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and other illnesses. Antioxidants contained in garlic have been shown to increase antioxidant enzymes in humans while reducing oxidative stress in people with high blood pressure. Antioxidants in garlic are thought to reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels, prevent cell aging, and reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Reduces bone loss, which is also known as osteoporosis. Studies show that increasing estrogen in women can minimize bone loss. A study of menopausal women found that daily doses of dried garlic extract significantly reduced estrogen deficiency. Postmenopausal women are at increased risk of osteoporosis or bone loss because they need estrogen to gain bone mass. There is no human research yet, but research shows that garlic can increase estrogen in female rats and minimize bone loss. A study of menopausal women also found that daily garlic intake reduced markers of estrogen deficiency. Garlic helps you grow beautiful hair. Garlic has a high allicin content, which can end the problem of hair loss. It sounds unusual, but rubbing chopped garlic on your scalp can help strengthen your hair. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. See you in the next video.